What's up mga chong? Today, just have a little announcement. Kung napanood nyo yung in-upload natin na bago nating laptop, the Asus ZenBook Duo, it's doing a great job and sarap mag-edit doon and everything. But in the process of me transferring my files from the old laptop to the new one, somehow the files got corrupted. Kahit pag in-open ko siya dun sa lumang laptop. I don't know, man. I would have to redo the used car buying tips episode 5, 6, and 7. Nagawa ko na kasi yung tatlong yun. It's just in the pipeline. And I lost them. I'm trying to recover them, but just to be sure, i-reshoot na natin. But for now, magva-vlog lang tayo ng kaunti. Papunta ako ngayon sa car wash. Pauhugasan natin tong Toyota Wigo. Because later, madaling araw, gagamitin ko siya. So that's why, you know, kahit na paulan, bubuhos na yung ulan na yan anytime, ipapahugas ko na siya because I want to use it very clean, right? Just look at it. It's not in a very presentable state right now. Actually, pati yung van, ganun. So the vlog for today is this lesson kung paano mag-apply ng ganito. What's this? Microtex Sun Shield. It's right there. Microtex Sun Shield. Actually, hindi lang siya basta lesson. Ikukumpara natin siya sa Armor All. Kasi yung dalawang produkto na yan na pang interior, pang dress ng interior yung mga yan. Kukumpara natin yung shine nilang dalawa. And our cars, itong Wigo tsaka yung van, are the perfect test mules for this experiment. Habang papunta tayo sa car wash, naiisip ko tuloy yung sinasabi ng iba. Sumpa daw yan pag magpapa-car wash ka. Uulan daw. Habang kina-car wash yung sasakyan, iniisip ko, para saan ba yung point ng video na gagawin natin ngayon? Paano mag-apply ng pang-dressing sa loob ng sasakyan, right? Kasi, dun sa naging car wash ko dati, pag may bago kaming mga tao, pare-pare yung method nila ng pag-a-apply ng mga ganitong klaseng pang-car care, okay? Dinidirekta nilang spray. Pare-pareho yung nakikita kong pagkakamali. Ngayon, pagkukumpara natin yung shine ng Armor All at ng Microtex, pakikita ko sa inyo kung paano yung tamang pag-apply. Kasi karaniwang mali ng mga naging tao namin dati, at I'm sure yung mga nagdi-DIY nating kaibigan dyan, lalo yung mga first time magkakotse, nagkakaroon ng interest mag-DIY kasi nga naman wala tayong ginagawa, di ba? Pandemic. Possible na ma-encounter nyo rin yung ganung problema, okay? Unang-una dyan, hindi mo i-spray yung spray bottle directly into the surface. Dapat meron ka dyang at least foam pad or a microfiber towel. Actually, kahit yung mga basahang bilog, yung mga nabibili sa labas, pwede na yun. That's the cheap alternative, or any rag na hindi naman oily, hindi marumi, hindi mabaho na rag. So ayun, you can use that as I'm about to demonstrate, okay? These products, bukod kasi sa nakakaganda siya ng shine, nakakabuhay siya ng shine ng isang interior, meron din siya mga antimicrobial properties katulad na lang nitong Microtex. I'm just not sure about the Armor All, okay? But I chose Microtex for the majority of my use these days kasi alam naman natin pandemic, di ba, nakakatakot. So at least bukod sa fogging na pinagagawa ko every now and then, nilalagyan ko rin nito just to make sure that the surfaces are, you know, safe. That's the Armor All, mga chong. At bago natin siya i-apply, let's just take a baseline shot ng ating dashboard. As you can notice, hindi naman siya ganun ka-shiny, hindi rin siya ganun ka-dull. But you will notice after we apply it, mabubuhay naman yung shine niya kahit paano, right? And I'll show you the wrong way of applying this particular product and kung paano siya maremedyahan kung katulad ko kayo na sobrang OC, as in yung gusto mo clear na clear lahat ng salamin dyan, ituturo ko sa inyo yung paraan kung paano gawin yan. So at first, susubukan natin tong Armor All. Sikat na sikat yan for I don't know how long, pero matagal na sikat talaga to. Even in the United States, I think dun siya talagang kilalang kilala. What you wanna do is to spray this on your towel or your applicator pad while, of course, bago magamitin, shake mo muna kasi may mga suspended particles yan sa loob. And you apply it liberally. Ideally, kuskus mo na siyang ganyan. And then, kung may accessories ka mga ganyan, tanggalin mo muna. And then you wipe it. Now, the benefit of you doing this is you can focus on the areas na talagang kailangan lang nun. Hindi ka aksayado sa produkto, may kakalat mo siya accordingly. Hindi messy kasi imagine if I spray this, it could get inside those air conditioning vents, yung mga acrylic panels na yan, and the nooks and crannies na hindi maabot ng basahan, right? So, you don't want to do this. Okay? It's annoying, man. Pag nakikita ko may mga bagay-bagay na nakapasok dun sa hindi maabot ng basahan ko, oh my gosh, it drives me crazy, man. So, that's Armor All. Pretty interesting. Kaya gusto kong i-demonstrate sa inyo tong dalawang produktong to kasi for me, I can see visible, difference in shine dun sa dalawang produktong de-demonstrate natin between Armor All and Microtex. Now let's go ahead and try it on the Toyota Wigo using the Microtex, okay? Now here is the dashboard of the Toyota Wigo. Same thing, mukha pa rin naman bago pero alam mo yun, medyo dull na yung dating niya. Yan yung sidings. Let's try out the Microtex. So the Microtex, alog muna natin. Spray natin sa ating microfiber rag. Actually, amoy pulbos to mga chong. Yun yung dating sa akin ng amoy niya, no? There we go. Applying it quite liberally. Actually, dagdagan pa natin. Let's go crazy with this one. Ito lang yung product sa sasakyan na medyo hindi ko tinitipid na. Pero ayoko rin naman na naglalawa kasi alam mo yun, hahakot lang siya ng alikabok pagka sobra yung nilagay mo. But yeah, let's get to the door. Sidings. After you've gone through the nooks and cranny, that is the difference, mga chong. Mas primo yung shine niya, di ba? And it's not sticky to the feel. Not sticky at all. For the sake of comparison ng na-applyan na at ng hindi pa, ito siya sa steering wheel. Lagyan natin yung kalahati. See the difference. Na-applyan at hindi na-applyan. Yun yung tamang pag-a-apply mga chong versus kung i-spray mo siyang ganyan. Oh my gosh. Look at those stuff dripping. I certainly don't like that. Kasi imagine, yung mga yan, maaabot ba yan ng basahan mo? Hindi, di ba? And yan, yung mga aircon. Really annoys me. But if by any chance magkamali ka, as in na spray mo, direkta dito agad, nakalimutan mo sa basahan mo nga pala dapat spray like that. Pag pinunasan mo sa salamin mo yan or sa tint, di ba? You can see that it's quite oily. And if you're like me, OC, it'll drive you crazy, right? Here's the quick fix para dyan. You get a rubbing alcohol, okay? You spray it on a paper towel. You wanna use a rubbing alcohol kasi hindi naman harsh yan para sa tint, and you wipe it off. Those oily residue would just go away. So ayan, imagine na lang kung mangyari to sa buong auto mo. Dodoble yung trabaho mo, and it's quite annoying, nakakapagod. Yun lang, yun yung maling paraan ng paglalagay ng mga ganitong klaseng produkto. And there goes another tip from Garage King sa pag-apply ng mga car care products, specifically yung pang detail ng interior or yung pang dressing ng interior. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one. Kung mahilig kayo mag DIY, I hope nakatulong sa inyo to. I hope you can avoid yung aksaya sa mga produktong gamit nyo at yung kalat na pwedeng gawin yun sa loob ng sasakyan. Okay, again, we'll get back to the used car buying tips in a few days probably. I-reshoot natin yung mga files natin if I could not recover them. But until then, this has been your Garage King. You drive safe. Ciao!